Guess what, guys? We got some stunning Accords right here. That's Ghost Falcon right there, 1.5, and that's Kais. He's got an upgrade 2021 2.0 turbo, and that's my boy Hashbrown. I'll put their IGs in the description below. He's got bags. That is dope, and those wheels are insane. There's a few upgrades here, guys. He's got the upgrades on his, what's it called? Sunroof, moonroof, you call it. The headlights are sick. Check this out. This is sick. He's got that installed recently. His front bumper is polished, renewed again. No paint chips, nothing like that. His LED, well, the LED lights underglow is finally working again. And there's a plane coming by, so I'm gonna stop the video for a bit and then continue again. I don't want that sound coming in the mic. All right, continuing. So, what are you revving, bro? What are you revving? Thermal R&D and a cadless, PRL cadless downpipe? And he's that's crazy. That's awesome. And yeah, that's a big difference, man. He's got the Akasaga quad tips and the T10 V2 diffuser, the V4 taillights. Of course, remote start. He's gonna show off. Yeah, go ahead, show off, bro. Go ahead, show off. It's okay. He's gonna rev it. Yo, give it a few sport mode, bro. Don't do it in eco mode. He's got a muffler. The front sounds nice too. Go ahead. I'm trying to hear it. Oh yeah, he has an intake in, so I hear that. But that's resonator delete and a muffler delete. That sounds nice. He's got the wireless CarPlay as well. Inside the moonroof. Another plane passing by, so I'm gonna stop it right here and then continue again. All right, so right back at you. So, I mean, what does he have on this? So he does, as you guys had questions on this, if the aftermarket lights would work on 2021, yes it does. So here you go, he has the V1s installed, and he transferred his tips from the previous one, and even the reflectors do work. That's the animation right there. And the headlights, if you didn't know, the high beams are actually bright. I mean white and also bright too. So where is it? I'm trying to, it should be on. Yeah. So let me show you the front. Yes. So the headlight, it's all white. And it's also tinted 50%, so. No, it's tinted 35. 35 now? Okay, well. So there you go, the headlights, well, the headlights are like right here. And the last three spokes, I believe, or I think it is the last three, which are, yeah, there you go. So it's the last three are the high beam ones. Just turn them on. See that? They blend right in. There you go. So that's great. And even the fog lights are LED. They're on, yeah. The front lip, people are waiting on front lip from Yofer. Yofer is the brand, right?
Yeah. I compared the fog lights with John Don. Mine's are more range, but his is more wider. A little bit.
That's because he has the LED, right?
Yeah.
The LED is more wider, but you have more range. So that's the difference, I guess. That's nice. I don't know why he started his car. We gotta see his yeah, after the plane, guys. Yeah, we're near the airport, so you guys gonna see so many planes go by. Well, wait, is he gonna rev it? Is he? Are you gonna rev it? Are you revving it, Hash?
I was airing it down for him.
Oh yeah? So no revs? Wait, what do you have though? What exhaust setup?
Catalyst downpipe and then vibrant ultrasound pipe.
Catalyst, downpipe, and vibrant resonators, and a muffler delete. And let's just hear a few revs. That's the loudest one, guys. Yeah. Nice. Go down. So hold on. Wait. I gotta get the side angle. He got his bag, so let's have it. You good? That's crazy. That's fun. He's like right here. You can't even get there. Yo, who's got $100 bill, bro? See if it fits in there. Benny, I know you got it. Yo, money's not going in there. It's stuck. It's no gaps. Half of the plane. Guys, check this out. It's not going in. It's literally the ground. That's it. It won't, like, it gets stuck there with a rubber tire. That's it. But yeah, it's funny. It won't go through. But yeah, it's literally hitting right the ground. Look at that. It's like, I don't know, 3 inches off the ground. But that's a nice drop. I like that. Front windshield's tinted now, finally. I like that JDM emblem. The front lip is great. The wheels are awesome. This is upgrade too. The wheels, his airbag system, and the grille in the front as well. This piece, I think it does come in a whole 3-piece like that, all around. So that's nice. Let's see how the interior looks on his whip. What happened? That's his interior. Let's go to the next one. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me see. This one we got fish bowls right now already. Only because he just got this a few days ago. You unlocked? Trying to see. Nice. Oh, what do we got here? So, it's the paddle shifters. You got the extended ones right here. It's on it. They come standard as other one. Paddle shifters right there. This is extended ones. Looks nice. Yeah, wireless CarPlay. And what else? Of course, you got the radar detector. And it's all buttons as well. So you got a 2.0. This is not a touring. Yeah, the touring has different wheels, so you guys can tell. And I think the touring has the actual gear, like manually change them. Not a manual transmission, but like the gearbox shifter, you shift it by yourself. Yeah, it's not much. She's got the moonroof in there. Where is this heated seats? I think, oh, there they are. These are the heated seats right here. They're kind of, the keys on him, so either way, they're right here, they click. Yeah, the emblem inside. You got your heated seats. Let me just turn on the, see how it looks. It's not dark in it.
It's dark? Oh.
No, the buttons are like dark, you know, like darkened. It's right there.
I put
see?
things over them.
Oh,
like
I see.
Thing over, yeah, overlay shits on it.
Nice.
I put it on the drive neutral buttons.
Gotcha.
Oh,
you put in the overlay, right?
And
usually it's
just it feels like just
it's like
this.
matte.
It just feels like this.
So usually you feel like
rubber. No, on this.
Yeah.
On these.
No, but it's usually like this type, right? This feel?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I put it on.
So you put on
shift
this
knobs.
And the shift knob as well. That's nice. That's why it's kind of blacked out, guys.
Oh, it's probably just like a stick-on piece. No, but
so let's give this back to him. Here's the wheels. I mean, wheels. Keys, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, I need a clip of this. Oh, look at this. This is a nice shot right here. You know how I can tell? He's taking a clip of it. What you doing, bro? One, there you go. And yeah, these, oh man, look at these underglow. Finally, we could take a look at it now. It's getting darker outside, darker. And I do have a video on installation of the T10 I think V2 diffuser and even the Akasaka tip. So search up like Honda Mods T10 V2 diffuser install. You'll see me pop up. I show you guys how to actually put in a third brake light as well, which is right there, and we're connected with what wires. Very detailed video. Most of the stuff taken off the old OEM spoiler, take them off. It's all on my channel, guys. Let's look inside, and he's chilling with his Netflix, YouTube. Look at this. He's chilling with his YouTube here. And this dash cam is awesome. I love this. I need to get one of these.
Oh, that's white.
Yeah, I need to get one of these. They move bad. They show the front too. I think double clip. Nope. Back. Oof. There you go. You just click it. It shows the back and the front. I don't know. Swipe. I know a lot of you guys told me about, you know, if you guys want. There you go. You just kind of tap it here in the corner. Now we have both. We're learning. That's pretty awesome though. And this is tinted literally, I think, not 50%, but you ask him what tints he got in the front. Yo, what 10% is that? 10 percentage.
35.
He's a 35. Sheesh. 35. That's how it looks with 35% tints. Wow. Well, even his headlights are not on, so, but still, just looking out. But from outside, you can't see anything inside. I like his interior. It's pretty dope. He's got the one apply in the side door. DM him, guys. If you need something, any help or links for something, just DM him. His IG is in the description below. These are the overlays, I believe, the carbon fiber panels. It's pretty awesome on this one. Now it's got darker. You guys can see the lights more. Wow.
Right here.
Yeah, it goes. Yeah, it goes up to here.
And I tinted the yellow. Yeah, the yellow said. I made him take it out. So I don't have.
There's a nice picture from the back if you go in right where I was.
Yeah.
Try it. Did you take one? Go there. You'll see. All right, guys, that's it. These are the upgrades they got so far. These are pretty major upgrades. Love it. Love the ride. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I appreciate the support. And definitely, guys, make sure you guys follow them and DM them if you got any questions or where they got their stuff installed. And that's about it, guys. So peace out, stay safe, and make sure you guys share this video with your friends and fam. I appreciate that. All right, peace out.